Good morning, good trade with Zay. I'm Isaiah, and today it is Wednesday's hump day. Um, I'm just gonna be real with you guys. I really don't see too much right now. Um, just the way we're looking, we can see a lot of consolidation right in between these two levels. Prices, if we were to bring this out, been essentially in between of these two levels here, has been bouncing in between. So currently, right now. I have a trade in right here, like at the top of this position of 0.01. And I also have, so that one really doesn't matter, but I also have a trade in like right here. Let's see how many pips I'm down right now. It's headed up there right now. I'm down about 8 pips right now. Oops. That's about right, about 7 pips. My stop loss is actually just above here. But I'm thinking about bringing it down to just about here. This one that I have right here is at break even, so it's essentially getting close to getting hit. Um, but I think I am going to keep it about right here, just to keep it small. And if it does come up, this is a daily rejection right here, R2S. But we can see that price is just continuing to stay in here, so I'm kind of thinking we could sit in this range for a little bit. And with a 30 pip risk to reward ratio, 30 pip risk to let's say about an 80 pip reward is about a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward ratio. So there's a chance, but like I said, we can see this big pump up right here. We can see how this trend line is starting to be formed, and we can see how, resistance, support, support. Price tried to break through here, used it as resistance and rejected again. And now we can kind of see how price is carrying up and creating a higher low. Hasn't quite created a higher high. Well, I guess it has, right? Boom. Higher high, higher than that high, and then a higher low. And now we're on the verge to see if this is a higher high or if it's going to come down for us. Now, there's no news yesterday or today, so I think that's why we're seeing this movement. But we do have big news tomorrow, right? So today we don't have shit, yellow folders. But tomorrow we have unemployment, and then Friday, nothing. Oh, so we kind of don't have big news. I mean, unemployment's unemployment, but it's just the claims. So we'll see what happens at that point. But you can see how price is somewhat respecting this area on the hourly. Let's go down to the 15-minute. You can see how it's, shoot, when I come down, it looks even like it can continue up even more. So I don't know about this trade. It's a risky trade. We're kind of not fighting it, but we're in consolidation and we're at the top of the consolidation range. So every time it's been up here, we've seen a rejection, come up here, rejection, come up here, rejection. So US30 is approaching our golden zone pretty darn close. Okay, so let me show you guys that. My alert just went off. Have it marked it? So it is right here. Right here is the golden zone that I've already mapped out. So you can see this ILC, you gotta kind of look for it. Boom. We could turn this golden. Boom. But you can see this is a clear resistance right here, right? So at this point, we gotta look and see, okay, here we have it. We go from the most recent high, alright, to the most recent low. One, boom. And you can see it's actually kind of moved up, down a little bit. I mean, yeah, with that. Up here it looked a little bit cleaner, I'm gonna lie. Where is it at? No, right there. Look cleaner, but 78% ILC. Maybe we don't see the return necessarily that we'd like, because usually when it comes this far back, it doesn't break all the way through. But I think with this trade here, we can possibly see I would keep it short and tight and sweet. See something like that. Let's just call it a 40 pip right above these wicks here. I know most people would want to have it at least above here, um, which would probably be preferable, but I don't like risking 90 pips, 95 pips. So um, I'd personally rather just take the loss here at 30 pips. And then if it gives us another re-entry up top right here on this hourly, then we can take that. That's how I usually do it. So, but you can see these highs have already been broken. So it's kind of like a iffy trade to me. This is something we'd be looking at. Something like this, counter trade back down to this level. We'll see what happens. So it's just a matter of price is going to want to do that. Um, Honestly, I kind of prefer this over anything else. I'm going to move this right here. This makes a little more sense. Um, you can see how these areas matter though. Boom, boom. So that's why I have them there. It looks like this probably needs to move up a little bit. There's the area of importance. More important. Sorry, that's my alert setting off every time. Push it up a little more. Preferably, I think I like Nas a little bit more, even though, because we could kind of see how US30 is kind of breaking this range and getting out of here, right? Hasn't broke it yet. But once it does break these highs, who knows what it's going to do at that point, right? So either of these are the same trade, right? Like if you were to get in right here and say, shit, I'm going to just keep it something like this, 60 pips, you can do it, right? Um, Maybe take it down to this level. I'm not sure we can do that, but between the two trades, I think I just like, you know what? I think I do like US30 a little bit better because Nas is forming up here, right? US30 is forming down here, like somewhat below. I think I do like US30 to fall off, but I do have my Nas in, so that's kind of where my focus is at. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Because this looks like it's definitely getting pumped up. Nas, damn, they both kind of look like they're getting pumped up when I look at them. But you know what? I think I like Nas. It's been holding up. If we lose, we lose. It's a small stop loss, 30 pips, right? So, fuck it. I mean, we're in it. So, our big thing is seeing if it's going to go down here. I do have sell limits on Nas at my golden zone as well. Let me tell you where. On US30, I have sell limits about what, 40 pips away. So it's at 616 right now for my broker, 618. And I have my sell limit at 656. So, yeah. I mean, if it gets up there, it gets up there. I'm not going to take this out from here. I have this one in now, so we'll see what happens. And again, with this trade here, I'm just looking to see if we can break this trend line because it's going to be super important to break this trend line. If it doesn't, then we're kind of asked out. So, 44 pips would be an obvious target right there. And then 81 pips is going to be our take profit. So I would say TP1 around 40 pips, TP2 around 80 pips, and then if we can break it, maybe get back down to these levels here. But I don't know if we'll see that happen today. It's just a matter of price is going to give us what we want. So might not even come down right now. You know what I mean? So let's see. All right, let's see. Open's coming up right now. I don't know if it's gonna go our way or not, but let's see. Damn, US30's falling. Let's see what happens. I could be totally wrong right here. I'm just going as a consolidation trader, what we're kind of looking at. That doesn't look so great. And yeah, it looks like it is out of here. 620 is technically, it didn't hit my stop loss, but 620 is technically my stop loss. But I think for what we're seeing right here, I think it's time to get up out of the trade just because we can see the pump. US30 is doing exactly what I wanted NAS to do, right? So, damn, man. Yeah, hit the stop loss. Say with me. So I got taken out on the trade. Lost about 170 something. Um, I kind of like US30. It's clearly doing what we wanted it to do. Just didn't reach our ILC the way I wanted it to reach. Had my sell limit in there, it just didn't reach it. What did it miss it by? Damn, that shit fell the fuck off. Technically missed it by 13 pips. Fuck. Yeah, you can see it's up at this level and it looks to be passing this now. So stop loss was already hit. Um, but US30, I kind of like a retest of this zone right here. Hold on a second. Coming up right now on US30. If it can ooh, damn, that was a big rejection already. Hold on. Right about mm, I'm thinking around the EMA right here is where I'm gonna take the trade. It's kind of pumping, but I put in a sell right now on US30. We'll see what happens. I'm in about. This is my last trade. If it comes up from here, then we know it's just out of here. Because you can see the rejection already on the 5 minute if it continues down. But I'm in the trade. We'll see if it can continue down. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I'm up about 6 pips right now, but it's getting a lot of pullback, right? You can see how it's kind of moving up, and if it gets back on top of here, got 10 seconds left for this 1 minute candle to finish. 5 minute candles looking pretty bullish, right, in terms of the rejection and how small the body is to the wick. I'm not sure how that's going to affect it, but let's see what happens here. Yeah, it looks like it's coming up. This is a big moment right here because is it going to continue to break off, which it can because it broke this high, or is it going to sell off right here at this point? So I'm in the trade. I'm hoping to take it down to this level. And honestly, my stop loss would be right there, 30 pips again. Ooh, let's see. Come on. Come on. I don't think it's going to break it. You can see the 5 minute being respected right here. Crazy. 15 minutes being respected. Crossover happened. I don't think it's going to break, right? If this holds up, we're in business, but I think I'm going to move my stops to break even right now, even though we're only up 13 pips, because if it does break and continues to push up and engulfs this, then we know what's going to happen at that point, you know? Yeah, it might come up, but let's see. We're up about $60 right now, $20. Damn, just got stopped out. Son of a biscuit. I got stopped out right now at break even. It seems to me like it might just continue to push up just because of that. And I knew that we have, like I said, when we started it, broken highs right here. So I get it. But uh hmm, that golden zone is where I was looking to hit. Now it could still hit it. I'm thinking 650, about 10 pips out is where I'm looking. Yeah, about 10 pips out is where I'm looking. It's getting close. It's right there now, but let's see if it starts to respect it or not. Let's see. Let's see. It's right in that zone. I don't know if I'm going to take it though. It is pushing right now. It's got a big push right now, so that's the only thing I'm worried about. Let's see. Yo, that shit's flying though. I don't even know. Yeah, I took a loss right now too. A couple losses on NAS and US30. But yeah, it might be up out of here, dog. Just from what I'm looking at, you know what I mean? But I don't know. What was your okay? So you can do. Oh, it's coming down. Shit, son. 691. Hold. Yeah, I don't know. Probably like around 11:30 or something. I think we should leave them. All right, later. Dang, I kind of want to put the sell in right here, but I think there's a little too much push for me to do that right now. Little too much push. Honestly, Nas seems to be respecting this. I mean, US30. Seems to be getting back up out of here, so I want to put the trade in, but with the push up, I'm just not too sure. You know what? think I'm gonna just stay away from this shit. Mm, it's still coming down. Okay. No way. No funkin' way. Damn, that was a crazy ass drop. Crazy. I'm thinking about putting in a sell right now. I ain't even gonna lie. Right at this level here. Because now that we could get a quick retest, I'm in it. Fuck it. See what happens. Alright. I just hopped in a sell right now. Thug life. So I'm down 330 on the day. See what happens. Honestly, this shit could fly up right here. Eesh. Now that I'm looking at it. Because what did it do? It's still using this here, but if it breaks above this, it's going to build up to the next level. So, I'm in about right here though. But yeah, it could build up. Hopefully this holds up right here. I just entered a sell on NAS, and this is my last trade of the day. So, let's see what happens. 17, 18 pip stop loss. See if we break back down to the backside. Let's see. Okay, let's see. We're at about 10 pips right now. These are all like quick moments because if the 20 EMA keeps getting respected, then we're going to see the push up, right? Or if the daily gets respected, we're going to see a push up like it did here, right? So those are all things we got to look at to see if the trade is going to go our way or not. And if it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So let's see, 6 seconds left for this candle, which isn't great because the next one could build up off of it. So like that, right? We'd want to see it finish below here. But since it finished right on top, it gave this next candle and buyers an opportunity to say, you know what, we think price is going up. Let's get in. Mm, we'll see how this candle finishes, but not too sure. I don't like it. Look at that. Next candle did exactly what I thought it would do with this finish right here. This finish on these EMAs always leads to this pump. Yeah, it looks to be out of here. Just call it Isaac. Just call it. $15, about $100. I'm down 330 for the day right now. I'm up about $20 on this trade. $2, 80 cents. Let's see if this thing can hold up and break to the downside, but just not too sure. Come on. And this is the moment of truth. It has to break past the, oh, it broke past it. Now can it break past the daily? That's another question, right? Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can. This is key right here, right? Because now we're getting up to the EMAs and all that. Let's see if it can finish bearish. 59 seconds. If it can finish past this like that, we're in business, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're up about 200 right now. Okay, let's go. Break through that motherfucker. Come on. Come on. This is the moment of truth right here as well, right? Because now we got the 1 minute 50 EMA with this target area right here, right? This ILC that it could be using as support. So we're only up about, what, 30 pips, 33 pips. So we need to see if we can get this thing to where we need it to get to, right? US30 is now falling into profit. Man, I don't know if it's gonna break this right here though. This is important. Hoping it could get back down to this downside right here. If we could hit this, I'd be really happy for the day. So, but it looks to be rejecting. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that's a big push, but hopefully this daily level that was once used as support can be used as resistance, and we see a continuation down. Hopefully. Could be wrong because, like I said, when you zoom out, you look at the hourly, you see how it's looking. Oh shit, pretty crazy. But it still looks like it's way up there, right? So, yeah, you know what? Maybe I should step out of here. See, hopefully it holds up right there and then makes its way back down. But we'll see. We shall see. We're up about 230 right now, about 30 pips. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. Come on. Keep it pushing, keep it pushing. Got to this 600 area. See if we could keep going. I'd love it if it could. We are now into that. Let's keep going. There's a key area right here, which I don't like. I guess I might be getting greedy at this point, but we could say, yeah, look at that push. Fuck. I was up about 360 at one point. Now I'm up about 270. I'm hoping it could stay down though. See if it can. If not, we'll finish this day at negative 330. And yeah. Come on, buddy. Not what I wanted to see right there. Oh, and I might have got a little greedy. Counter trend trade, but I'm hoping this thing holds up right here and continues down. Same thing, but I could be wrong. Need this thing to stay bearish and keep this thing coming our way. Damn. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh shit. Damn. What a juke. What a fucking juke. Is it coming our way or not? Damn. Yeah, it seems to be carrying up. That sucks. That right there kind of shows us. I'm up about 160. I think I'm going to pull it. I think that's kind of showing us where it's headed now. Good morning. What's up, dude? Good morning. Good morning. Mama. Pound it. Pound it. Can I have a hug? Good morning, dude. Morning, dude. Good morning. Oh, shit. Let's see. Oh, Bobby. Let's see if it can break it. Got about 5 seconds left on this 1 minute candle. Don't know if I like the finish, but at least it's bearish and gives us a chance, right? What's up, dude? What's up, my boy? Boy, boy, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, break that shit. Oh, come on. Let's go. Bless you. Let's go. TP was hit. I tried to move my TP, but it didn't really go, so. I'm done. I gotta get about this shit. Banana? You hungry? You wanna eat? Banana. Alright, guys. I'm up out of here.